In this video, I'll show you how to play demo videos and pro games onto Counter-Strike so you can view the point of view of the pro players, and it's a really simple process. All you really have to do is go to the site hltv.org, and then you'll be able to download some matches. So if you want to download a match, you'll want to go to results and just choose any one of these matches. So here I'll just choose Big versus Ninjas in Pajamas, and I wanted to do a quick demo download of this one. So select demo download. It's going to download all 3 games into a zip file. So you can see here while it's downloading, it's quite big. It's almost 1 whole gigabyte. So what I downloaded right now is this, let me just refresh the page, is this one right here. So the Big versus Ninjas in Pajamas. All you have to do is right click that and extract it, and extract all. It's going to create a folder in this path, and you'll be able to get the 3 game files that you need to view the game. And now that that's done, it's going to open up 3 files here, .dem, and you're going to notice that it says the map name. So say you just wanted the Anubis game, you can rename it. I'll call it BVN Anubis. So Big versus Ninjas in Pajamas Anubis.dem. I'm going to copy this, and you're going to have to paste it in this path right here. So you're going to want to go to the C drive, go to Program Files 86, Steam Apps. You want to go to Common, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Game, and CSGO. Now paste it in this folder of that file. Now that it's over here, all you have to do is launch Counter-Strike, and then go open up your console, and all you have to do is type play demo, and then hit space, and then BVN Anubis is right there. So I'm going to hit BVN Anubis and hit enter, and now it's going to launch the play demo that you can control and you can watch. And it's really cool. You can change the point of view, you can go third person view, and yeah, it's really powerful. And that's how you do it. Very simple, very easy, not too complex.